Hello guys, this is Marjan and welcome to another brand new video. In this video, I am going to introduce you with an amazing website for customizing and generating fancy cool names for PubG, FreeFire, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So let's start. At first, open a web browser. I am opening Google Chrome. In the address bar, type nickfinder.com, nickfinder.com, and now press enter. Now click on more button and click on nickname to symbols. In the text box, write your name. I am writing Marjan. Now click on make another, and here are some fancy cool names for PubG, Free Fire, Facebook or Instagram. You can use any of them. Again, from the more button, click on cool text generator. Now type your name in the text box. I am typing my name. And some results will come. You can use these names in PubG, Free Fire, Facebook or Instagram account name. Now let's try the best feature of this website. Click on fancy text symbols from the more button. You can find plenty of symbols in this page. We will use these symbols to customize our Free Fire and PubG accounts name. Now let's make some customized name. Once customization is done, don't forget to copy your customized name. Here are some names that I customized for myself.